What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, we have another Primark haul. In this one, we've got a little bit of a mixture of things. We have some things that are still like summer appropriate but could be transitioned into autumn. We also got some things from the men's section, which I did not expect. If you guys haven't seen my latest Primark video that I did with my fiance Matt, I'll link it in the eye. But basically, we did a challenge where we actually had to get an outfit for each other for only £30. And that's basically when I went into the men's section and I found a lot of things for myself. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you want to see what Primark has to offer right now, then without further ado, let's get into the video. So here is my Primark bag. It is literally full to the brim, so let's crack into it. Okay, the first thing I really want to show you guys is actually the thing that I got from the men's section. Honestly, the men's section has such cool collabs. They have a lot of like anime collabs right now, and one of the ones that really struck me was this one. This is a collab with Jujutsu Kaisen, which is an anime that I still need to watch, but I already own the merch, so now I have to. How cool is this graphic? I'm obsessed. It also has the graphic on the bottom that says the name. It's also got this thing on the sleeve. I'm absolutely obsessed with this hoodie. I got this in a size small, and just so you guys know, I already got toothpaste on it, which is why it's got a stain. But I absolutely love the color of this hoodie. I've been looking for a nice warm hoodie like this for these current like weird transitional months. So I picked up this one for £16, and it's literally the coziest hoodie ever. They also had a bunch of really cool collabs with like Naruto and I think another anime. I think it was My Hero Academia. So if you're into your anime, check out the men's section in Primark because they have so many cool collabs going right now. Speaking of hoodies, I got another hoodie, you guys. I just feel like hoodies are so easy to wear. You just chuck it on. It looks really cool and kind of like streetwear. To me, wearing a hoodie is the next best thing to wearing pajamas all day. So I got another one. It's a little bit more like neutral. There's no graphics on it at all. It's got a really nice big hood and everything is really nice and cozy. It's actually fleece lined as well. This one was only £12 and essentially is just a big oversized hoodie. It has got a pocket so you can put your phone in. I just love the color. It's made of like this really nice stone kind of color, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one. Okay, this next item I feel like you guys are not ready for. Do you guys know of that bag that has literally just been circling around all over the internet lately? I think it's from the brand called Coach, and it's this really cute bag. It's kind of like a pillow slash cloud bag. I think it's called the Tabby or something. I have been lusting over that bag for like a month now, and I mean, I'm not gonna spend like £500 on a bag. So when I saw this bag in Primark, which is very similar in aesthetic, for only £8, I was like, well, this is it. How freaking cute. I know it's not exactly the same as the Coach bag, but it's got that like puffy kind of vibe to it, which I really, really like. This one is white. I do wish it was cream, but white is okay. I think they also had it in like an orange and a blue, but obviously I went for the white. I just can't believe this was only £8. It's so cute. It's very spacious on the inside, and I just love it. It's got this really cute like chain kind of detail right there in the middle, and it's got a little short handle, so I feel like it's a very trendy bag. Now you guys know that I definitely don't need any more jeans, but when I go to Primark, I always end up buying a new pair. I don't know what it is, but Primark jeans are the best. So I ended up getting myself another pair, which I wasn't planning on, but when I saw these, I just couldn't leave them behind. These are basically just a high-waisted pair of white jeans. They're very straight leg, very relaxed. But the reason why I got them is because they have like this really cool bobble effect all over. It's like the way that it's ripped, it almost makes it look like it's got little bobbles. I don't know if you can see that. These were £20. They're from the Made Using Recycled Cotton range, which is really nice. And honestly, I just really needed a new white pair of jeans because I don't think I own one. So yeah, I got these ones. They literally fit like a dream, so I'm so happy I got these. Moving on to the next two items, I feel like these two would actually make a really cute kind of outfit. It's definitely giving me more autumnal vibes just because of the plaid and like the kind of camel colors. Can I just say first, as soon as I saw this little body, it gave me such Skims vibes. Even the fabric is so nice. It's like a very stretchy, almost like nylon sort of fabric. fabric. This was only £6 and I got this in a size small. They had this in various different colors. I also did get it in white, which I'm going to show you guys in a sec. But yeah, this is the body. Just a really nice simple piece that I feel like I'm going to get so much use out of. And then I thought it'd go really nicely with the skirt, which looks like this. This skirt was £11. I got it in a size 8. I do wish I got it in size 6 just because I feel like it would have been a little bit more snatching at the waist. But I absolutely love this lace-up kind of effect on the side. I think it's such a cute skirt. And this whole outfit is literally just giving me pumpkin patch vibes. I cannot wait for autumn. Now, like I said, I did also get that same body in white. I'm hoping this isn't going to be too sheer. It looks kind of sheer, but I feel like if you wear a nude bra underneath, it should be fine. I got this one in the exact same size. And then to go with this one, I actually picked up this skirt, which is a little bit more like summery, I would say, mainly because of the color, but I feel like you could get away with wearing this in the autumn as well because it's orange. As soon as I saw this skirt on the hanger, it reminded me of one that I got from Zara not that long ago in white. I absolutely love this slit, and look at this, guys. It's a skirt. It's not a skirt, it's a skirt. That makes it so much better because I'm always really self-conscious about wearing skirts out, thinking that it's gonna like fly up and I'm gonna flash everyone. This one was £13. I got it in a size 8. Again, wish I got it in a size 6, but it's gonna be fine. So yeah, I feel like this is a really nice, like, basic kind of outfit. Maybe chuck a blazer over the top and you're good to go. Moving on to the next item, I saw these crop tops and I literally fell in love. They had this in blue as well as pink. I actually ended up going for blue because I always get everything in pink. This crop top was £8 and they were literally selling out like hot buns. I didn't even manage to get my size. I had to get this in a medium. I really like the look of it though, so I couldn't pass it up. It literally looks so structured, even though it's not. The fabric is made of quite like a thick sort of woven fabric almost, and it literally looks like a corset from far away. I love the thick straps. It's very simplistic, but I don't know, I just really like the vibe of it, so I decided to get it. Now lastly, I did decide to get 2 pairs of shoes, which I'm going to show you guys now. The first one is a little bit more summery, whereas the other is a bit more autumnal. The first pair is this. I actually ended up getting these in a size 6 just because I wanted a bit more room, because actually I tried them on and they did run quite small. First of all, these literally remind me of Chanel sandals so much. I swear I saw a pair like this online before. They've got this like quilted effect all over and I'm just obsessed with the color. It fits my whole aesthetic so much. Also, I don't know why, but these were reduced from £12 to £3. I literally got these babies for £3. Can you believe it? I genuinely don't know why they would reduce these to £3 because they're so cute. Like, why weren't people buying these? And then the other pair that I got are a little bit more like fancy, maybe a bit more autumnal. I mean, you could wear these all year round, to be honest. They're kind of like loafer style shoes, I guess. I really, really love the look of them. They look very classy and very polished, which is definitely a pair of shoes that I do not own in my wardrobe that are flat. So I thought it's time to invest in a nice pair of flats like this that I can wear with a pair of jeans and look a little bit more put together, you know? I really like the material that they're made out of. They're very like flexible, so I know that I'm not going to get any blisters with these. So that is it for my Primark haul this time around. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing what kind of stuff you can get from Primark right now. I am so excited for when Primark get all of their like fall/autumn kind of fashion in. You best believe I'm going to be doing another haul then. Let me know which one of these outfits or items was your favorite as always, and what you have purchased from Primark recently if you've been. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!